support kasi nag-meet yung new generation of K-pop and yung old generation. Very excited na makita sila mag-perform. And grabe, growing na talaga yung K-pop and we're so happy. Thank you, Billboard, pa sa opportunity na to. At syempre, hindi pa natatapos ang performance ng Kaya ngayon. Do you guys want more? Alexa, parang nandito.
Alam ko may ilalakas pa yan eh.
Sino dito ang hindi nakikinig sa mga mama nila? Kahit kilala kayo.
Maraming salamat Billboard and Viva Fans. Once again, we're up!
Girls, pero huwag mo na kayong umalis. Meron kami mga tanong. Hello! Hello, Sony fam! Hello, kumusta kayo? Pero syempre guys, ever since yung debut ninyo, you girls have proven year after year that you're unstoppable talaga. From co-producing and co-writing your song, Walang Biruan, among others, you also represented the Philippines as official delegates at Asian music festivals in Korea and India. Marami pa ito. During the 2026 Billboard Philippines Women in Music, you bagged the Listener's Choice Award for your single, Tanga. And recently, you got the attention of different fandoms locally and internationally para sa viral live performance nyo of Huntrix Takedown. At if I'm not mistaken, galing din kayong Singapore, di ba? Isang araw to represent the Philippines at the NBA Rising Stars Invitational. Grabe, congratulations sa success ninyo. Ang tanong ko sa inyo, what drives you girls to keep outgrowing yourselves accomplishment after accomplishment?
Ang pinakamalaking inspirasyon po namin ay yung Zaya po namin! Kasi kung hindi sila mapapagod sa makakasuporta po sa amin, hindi rin po kami mapapagod na mag-release pa ng music, na nagpasan lahat ng problema. We thank everyone na nagmamahal sa Kaya, including God, and everyone here. Thank you all for your support and love.
Thank you so much for the memorable music and the memorable performances. Thank you so much, Senator. Pero syempre, one more quick question. Medyo maliban sa music, pero related sa song ng Tanga. Can you tell us any funny stories about doing something stupid in the name of love? Ayan tayo, personal. Pero sila tayo
Si
dito.
Choi na nakakasagot dyan.
Para sa sarap ka ng hugot dyan.
Ayan, hawak-hawak niya na yung kamay, oh. Siguro i-relate ko na lang to sa teaser ko doon sa music video namin ng Tanga, which is yung gumawa ako ng cookies for someone I like, kasi hindi ko alam na iba pala yung nagugustuhan niya. Wala pala yung, kumbaga, kinuha niya yung cookies sa akin. Kinuha niya yung cookie ko. At least natuto ka mag-bake. At least natuto ka mag-bake ng cookies. Exactly. Kinuha niya yung cookie ko and then binigay niya yung cookie ko. Sa iba na gugustuhan niya. Bigyan niyo siya ng cookies, guys, okay? Ayun. Balik ka sa akin. Siguro yun. Yun parang pinaka-stupid na ginawa ko in the name of
Favorite kasi ni Charlotte ang cookie.
Yes, exactly. Pero I think, guys, si Ate Charisse may sagot nito. Charisse daw, short but sweet. Siguro, yung halos hindi mo na naisip yung kapakanan mo para sa kanya. Pero, ano yan, pero kahit naman naging nagpakatanga ka sa pag-ibig, marami rin tayo natutunan, right? Yes! May limitation ang pagiging tanga, huwag niyong araw-arawin. Minsan lang, okay, sorry. Sorry,
Masaktan.
sabi ko ba?
Well, thank you so much for sharing that. Charlotte, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sa cookie ni Charlotte.
Pero syempre, before you guys exit, please can we ask you to take a picture with our